What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be covering everything that's happening with AMC stock right now. In the past couple of days, short sellers have lost over $1 billion on this stock. In the past week, this stock is up over 120%. And if we just look at the chart, it is just exponential. We have IV exploding, a ton of volume coming in. Like AMC is like trending on like Google search trends, and it's just really popping off. But in today's video, I'm going to give some levels and some things to watch out for with this stock. So first things first, AMC broke all-time highs today, which is a huge accomplishment. I mean, this thing just exploded in the past week, and I think it's extremely strong, and it's a great sign that the company exploded past all-time highs. That acted as a huge resistance level in the past, and right now its all-time high is $36.72, which it hit at open today. Since open, it has came down a little bit and bounced off that $24 support, and it's kind of just bouncing back and forth right now. But the biggest thing in my eyes with this stock is how shorts, to my knowledge, have still not covered. So shorts are short a ton on this stock, and they're just holding. So it's like over a $1 billion loss at this point, and they're just holding on to it. So, these shorts, they can't just hold on forever. At some point, they're going to have to cover, and when they do, it's just going to bring so much more buying pressure back into this stock. So right now, I think the biggest thing with this company is how shorts are still short, even though they're down so much already. One other thing I wanted to point out is that it has exploded so much over the past week, and it is a risky, volatile play. But if we look at the implied volatility right over here on the bottom right part of the screen, we can see right now it is at 275%, which is a crazy high number. So if you are trading options, just be very careful, because in the past with AMC's run up back in January, and then same thing with like GameStop and all the other meme stocks, a lot of people actually predicted the direction correctly, but still lost money due to the expected move of this options chain. In simple terms, when IV explodes up, that means the options market expects more volatility, and it prices that in. So options are super expensive right now. And let's say we go to like the June 4th, 20 strike call. If we plot this on a chart right here, we can see in the past week, this thing went from $38 all the way up to highs of $1,768. And right now it's around $815. So it's still high in general, but just understand right now, options are very expensive. So shares might be the better route depending on your risk tolerance. But with everything, I know a lot of people have some pretty crazy price targets. I definitely wouldn't bet against this company, but at the same time, I'm not one to load up on calls when, it already popped up so much. But it definitely has potential. It's a very risky, volatile play. But the fact that we have so many people talking about this stock, and it has tried to pull back so many times, but if you just look at it on an intraday chart, every time it makes a low, it just like holds that level and comes back higher. So, it is making consistent higher lows, which is a good thing on a technical standpoint. We can see it made a low initially right around like $14 and exploded past that, dipped down to 18, exploded past that, dipped back down to 25 and exploded past that. So right now it is bottoming out right now at like 26 at the time of this recording, but there's a ton of buyers flowing into this company, and it is a Friday too, and the market is not open on Monday because of Memorial Day. So, think about how many people are going to be talking about AMC over the weekend and how many more potential buyers might come in over the weekend. So, it's a tricky situation, but I wanted to point out some levels to watch. Like I said, it did bounce off that $24 level extremely well, so this has acted as a pretty strong support level. Then we have resistance right around $30, which is a good technical level, but it's also a good psychological level. So definitely keep an eye on $30. After that, we have resistance right at 33. It also really struggled at this level. And then finally, we have that all-time high of $36.72. So, there's a lot of crazy things going on with this company right now. So much hype and so much money is flowing into it. And I think, if I was short this stock, I would really be scared because, one, they're already scared because they're down over $1 billion, but they still haven't covered. And the longer they wait, because this stock is hard to borrow, their short fees are going to pop up. So, It's a very interesting situation. We don't see these types of setups happen very often in the market. No matter what, always have risk management strategies in place. But when you look at the volume coming into this stock, it's very, very crazy. Yesterday, because well, today's the market's not even closed yet, but yesterday there were 705 million shares traded on AMC, which is just a crazy amount. Plus, given their share price, so it truly is a crazy event. And the more that people talk about it, the more that people hype it up, the more that people post their gains or talk about the stock or post about it on Wall Street Bets or whatever, the more attention the stock gets, and most likely the more it'll go up. So just know, be careful no matter what. Shorts have still not covered, which is really crazy. And the short float is around like 17%, which is good. It's not quite like GameStop back in January, but it's still a good amount. Like it's not like we're seeing a 5% short float on this stock. Like it's 17%, which is good in general. It's not like the crazy numbers we saw back in January though. But if we continue to break past all-time highs next week, I mean, who knows the top of this thing? It is so volatile, but there's so much money flowing into it, and it's just truly a crazy setup. But no matter what, please be careful. I know a lot of people are talking about, putting their life savings and crazy stuff like that into the stock. Please be careful. And it is a hype stock and it has a ton of momentum. So who knows the top? But yeah, if you guys have any questions on this stock or the setup, let me know in the comments down below. And I'm curious, let me know what your guys' price target is for this company. Or do you think that this is the top and, we're just going to go downhill from there? I'm very curious to hear your guys' thoughts. I know some people are targeting like $40 at the top, and then we have some people targeting like 100,000, which is crazy, but that's very crazy. But let me know what your guys' price targets are. And one good thing I am seeing about this is last time we saw all these meme stocks run up, we saw GameStop, NOK, AMC, BlackBerry, and there were a couple other ones, but now for the most part, everyone is just kind of focused on AMC. BlackBerry's up, but it's not up a crazy amount. NOK is up, but it's not up a crazy amount. Same thing with, actually GameStop is down 8%, but everyone's just kind of focused on AMC, which should benefit AMC. So just keep that in mind, and thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this stock in the comments down below, and have an amazing weekend.